Welcome to DRS Softech. In today's video, we'll explore the DRS Softech PST converter tool, a powerful solution designed to convert Outlook PST files into multiple file formats and email platforms with complete accuracy. Whether you want to convert PST files to PDF, Mbox, EML, MSG, and other formats, or migrate Outlook data directly to Office 365, Gmail, IMAP, and other email services, this tool provides a simple, secure, and efficient solution. Let's get started. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the DRS Softech PST converter tool. Step 2. Add PST files using Select Files, Select Folder, or drag and drop. Click Proceed. Step 3. Preview mailbox folders, emails, and attachments from the Preview panel. Click Proceed. Step 4. In the Output section, choose Office 365 as the saving format and enter its credentials to authenticate. Step 5. Apply general settings and advanced filters. Finally, click Start Export to begin the process. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with DRS Softech for more software tutorials and migration solutions.